What's going on, everybody? It's Nathan Payne. Thanks for tuning in. I'm outside of our next flip that we're doing. We just got this house. It was from, I think, texting or cold calling marketing. But basically, it's getting late. We just got out of the office. And, the reason why we're here is because before we flip the house, we're going to see what stuff the seller left behind, what can we sell. That's one of the side hustles we've been doing. And one of the guys on my team named Jared Norton has actually been heading selling the stuff. So that's why we're here, is we're going to look at what the seller left behind, what's of value. Because we used to, when we flipped houses, we would just junk everything, right? But now, with how easy it is to sell stuff on Facebook Marketplace, KSL, Craigslist. We're just, posting stuff. And the last flip we did, we made over, $3,000. So we're going to see what we can sell here. I'm going to show you guys our process of what we do and see if we can help you guys, try this out, make some money. So let's give it a shot. Let's check it out. And hopefully you find this content useful. It's kind of cold out here. But anyway, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Help us grow this channel and, come and take a look inside, see what we can sell. Jared, what up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Good. So Jared Norton is one of our leads managers at our company, and he's basically in charge of selling the stuff and the homes that we flip. And this is one of the houses we flip. We've started here in one of the sheds. It's a big shed, and it's got a bunch of crap in it, right?
Yeah, so as you can see, there's just stuff everywhere on the walls, all over the floor. So I think the first step is we just need to kind of sort through it and decide which stuff we're gonna keep and which stuff we're gonna sell.
So Jared, the last house we did where we made about like $3,000 on it, this had not even close to as much stuff, right?
Yeah.
So we could spend a ton of time probably selling this stuff we wanted to, but we probably want to just focus on the good stuff, right? Because there's so much. We don't want to waste our time. Because I'm sure someone would buy, what are those? I don't even know.
For the car.
For the car, I'm sure someone would buy that. But let's kind of look through here real quick, Jared, and just see what's the value. So got something.
I have a table saw right here. There's another one over there.
Okay.
What kind of caught my eye right away was this tool shed back here. I remember my grandpa saying something about how he bought one for $1,000 or something.
Seriously?
So I feel like that definitely has potential.
What the heck is that thing?
This is another saw type thing.
And it's got a little face
It's
shield.
got a light. This thing is super sick.
What about that? That looks like a Corona mask or a COVID mask, right?
It's like a welding mask.
A welding mask? I'm sure you could wear that to the airport and people would be like, that guy's being safe.
That dude's so woke and cool.
All right, what else are you seeing in here, Jared?
Yeah.
I know that's for car battery?
Keep it in your car, you charge it, and then you can jump start your car.
It's kind of bad, dude?
Yeah.
What else were you thinking about doing, like an estate sale or something?
Yeah, I was kind of thinking just because there's so much stuff here that we could maybe pick a day, put it on Facebook Marketplace, social media or something, and then or put signs up, and then everyone just comes and they can make an offer.
And mind you guys, Jared, he works as leads manager, so he's still doing leads, but this is totally a side hustle. After work, we're gonna make some extra money. Man's gonna make some extra money. What we do, so it doesn't take up too much of my time, I let him, pick the price. He puts it on Facebook Marketplace, and then we'll split evenly or fairly the commission. And by the way, thank you, camera girl. We got Jared just recently got married.
Yes, my wife, video girl.
She's doing great. This shed, by the way, we just, in that last house that we sold, there were 4 sheds, but they were all smaller, not as good condition as this one. This one could sell probably for $700, okay? And the cool thing about these is they have a lifetime warranty. So if you call them up, maybe they'll reimburse you if you destroy it or something. Here's another shed if you want to get that. I don't know. Maybe someone would take that for $100. Who knows? This compost thing. I know my wife just bought a compost thing.
How much did she buy it for?
I think it was $150, $200.
Yeah.
If he hasn't used it, it's probably still legit.
Yeah, I definitely think that'll sell. Man, there's just so much junk. Why would you keep this stuff?
Dude, who knows what he was doing. So in here, it's got some
tennis court, ball holders.
What are those, little dollies or?
Yeah, little dolly fishnet. It looks like this was kind of his water.
Aquatic stuff.
Aquatic stuff, yeah.
Look what we found in here. Check this out. I don't know, that I'm sure someone would buy that, but we found this bike, right? It's got this little stand. Sissy? No.
This thing is sick.
Let's pull it out.
Is it? I thought it was like an electric bike. Oh, looks like it's just a regular bike.
Dude,
But still, that's a nice bike.
20 bucks.
Oh, dude, I'll buy this thing for 20 bucks. Dang, this guy delivering
What was he delivering in there?
a mailman or something?
Some drugs or something? No? What? Anyway, I thought it'd be cooler. Alright, you get disappointed sometimes. Put this thing back. Alright. This thing right here, this pavilion, dude, these things are expensive. I know at Costco, they're like $2,000.
Yeah.
So, dude.
I wonder if we could look around and find the cover.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure you could buy a cover like that.
Yeah. Oh, is that another fire?
No, that thing's that goes on top
Oh,
of
it
the
goes
pavilion.
up there.
All
There's
right.
also like a little water feature thing.
Oh, yeah. And by the way, if you look over on your left, those tables, I know they look kind of lame, but people will buy those no problem.
Yeah. We still have one table like this left over at the South Jordan house.
There you
The only item there.
All right. So let's go inside.
Yeah.
So we'll come in here in the basement. Check out the basement, yeah. So Jared, let me ask you a question. Do you feel like this house has like more things that are sellable than the South Jordan house, or you think so?
I think so. Yeah, I feel like last time most of the items were like small, like $15 and $20 items, but I feel like this time there's some bigger items here.
There you go.
Yeah.
So down here, that's a newer, looks like a newer dryer. But no, sorry, that's a dryer. The washer looks newer. The dryer looks older. Sorry about that. I don't really see too much down here that's a value though.
Yeah. I know, Britta, what did you buy? You have one of these. How much did you buy this for?
I got it from Savers for like 25.
Okay.
$5. But you gotta be careful though on your side too. It's like with so much stuff, you kind of want to focus your energy.
Yeah.
That's why the estate sale is a good idea, right?
Heavy duty.
Yeah, man, this is serious. He actually cleaned it out really good because when we came here first, it was packed. So we got a couple more places upstairs so we can look at
Here's a
stuff.
little gas.
Little gas stove.
Cool.
Looks like a brain case, man.
Yeah.
Interesting. So we got a couple places left upstairs of stuff we can sell. Eric, our disposition guy, is upstairs doing work. So let's go up. All right. What's up, Eric?
What's up?
Taking off some baseboards. Love it. So hey, everybody, real quick. This is a super nice fridge, and I think we could probably sell this for what, like $800?
Yeah.
I mean, he cleaned it out. He didn't leave you a root beer though.
There we go. And a grape soda.
He left you a root beer, grape soda, and some rock.
What are those?
Rocky Road.
That's kind of, I don't trust that, dude. But yeah, so we could sell this, and then Eric was saying we could
Not have a fridge.
not have a fridge when we sell the house. So let's go this room.
No way. This is like exactly like the one we have at our house.
Whoa.
Look at that, guys. What do you think you could sell a little desk like that for?
We
50
have,
bucks?
yeah, maybe a little less, but still.
Okay.
Yeah, we have the exact same one. That's crazy. It's heavy. This thing's heavy.
That's real oak.
I think we could do more than 50.
Okay.
We got ours for free. It was a little more banged up.
Yeah, this one's nice. Feels new.
There you go.
Yeah, that's good to go.
All right, guys. You got a little backpack. You want to get anyone wants to carry your stuff?
Sure, that's not Eric's.
Oh. All right, come on in. Oh yeah, by the way, I think when you go to U-Haul, you can buy boxes are kind of expensive too. Not saying you have to sell, but all right.
Okay.
This is a little older, but
Someone would buy it.
yeah, okay. All right, and then we're almost done with the house. It's kind of small. Sell a little keyboard for a couple dollars. Oh, dude, is that one massage? It's like one of these massage.
Are you sure? Oh, it's
Car
a,
seats.
Whatever. Massage
oh, you plug
chair.
that into your car?
I don't know if you can.
Or
I
like a
guess.
desk chair.
Some shoes.
And Jared does like the look of how would you say
We
a
sell
hobo, or what is it?
hobo look, more like a vintage look.
Vintage look.
Yeah, me and Britta sell some vintage clothes on the side.
Yeah, and I'm sure there's some vintage gear in here
Yeah, I
somewhere.
think we're seeing some more of the sheds.
And then over here, I don't know if there's much you could sell.
There you go.
Dude, there's your vintage robe.
There's your robe. Walk around
I don't know
like a
if I
king.
put that on yet. Just taking a quick look through the house, guys. I think there's some good useful stuff. There's the bike, there's the pavilion, there's the fridge. There's got to be at least a couple $1,000s that you
Definitely.
either could just throw away, which most flippers do, or part-time
Sell it.
hustle,
Yeah.
sell it. So, hope that was helpful to actually take a walk through a property we're about to flip. If you guys want to know what we're doing to flip it, the way the market is right now, we don't have to do too much to the house. I mean, it's painted, it's got decent carpet. We don't have to do a full remodel. We're putting new floors in the kitchen, and that's pretty much it. We
Yeah.
might close this off and make another bedroom, so it's a 2 or 3 bed versus a 1. So that's what we're doing. Jared, I appreciate you working
Yeah,
hard and selling this
appreciate it.
stuff.
It's
And
awesome.
we'll check you out next time, Invest to Thrive. Everybody, I come in here to check in on my boy Eric, and he's drinking the root beer that the seller left in the fridge.
It's a little smoky.
Yo, there was a grape soda root beer, and there's some Rocky. It looks like there's some Rocky Road candy. Are you gonna eat the Rocky Road candy too, bro?
I get it. Maybe.
I love it. Seller leaves the soda. Nothing's off limits, right? All right, you leave your stuff. Well, we're gonna use it later. Please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and join us for more Investor Thrive content. Thanks.